Hello everyone and welcome in MBM classes. Today I am going to give the solution of exercises 8.2 in which we have to evaluate the following by substituting the values of different degrees under different trigonometrical ratios as per requirement of the questions. In my previous video you know how to learn all the values. So here simply we are substitute all the values and then simplify. So here I am going to start with the first question, that is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. It means there are the product of two trigonometrical ratios, sin of 60 degree and cos of 30 degree. Got it? So here no sign of multiplication is given, so it is multiplying. You should learn about it. So here it is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Simple substitute all the values. As you know what is sin 60 cos 30, sin 30 cos 60. Okay, and then after that you have to simplify. So here the first question of exercise 8.2, first part is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So here we have to substitute value. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Simple, you have to put the value or write the value. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Now when you multiply this is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and now see, when you solve it further you will get 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So this is only the answer. Here the question was evaluate. So you have to simple substitute the values and get the answer. Similarly we can do all other questions in which I feel that some part is difficult, so I will solve the solution. I'll solve that particular question. Now next in line, the second part of the same question is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Remember, this square is not on 45 degree. It is tan square 45. That means you have to put value of tan 45 and then square that particular value. Similarly here when you put cos 30 and then square that value. Clear? It is not meaning that tan square 45 is multiplying tan into tan 2 times. Simply multiply only one time you have to put value, but according to this power you have to multiply that many times. Okay, so here I am going to put the value as 2 tan 45 is 1. Okay, so it is 1 and then you have to write square plus cos 30. Cos square 30. But what is cos 30? It is root 3 by 2. So we have to square because as per question it is written as cos square 30 minus sin square 60, and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Simple substitute the value and square it. Now here 2, because 1 square is 1, 1 is multiplied by 2 is 2, plus this is 3 by 4. Minus this also 3 by 4, and you know these two numbers are same with opposite sign, so these two will cancel and the remaining will be 2. So this is only your answer. Similarly, third part of the question number 1 is cos 45 divided by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Again we have to substitute all the values and after that we simplify. So here the cosec 45 is 1 by root 2, as you know, above plus upon the sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 is 2. Now see, we have to simplify denominator. Okay, so 1 upon root 2 of the numerator remain as it is. Then after that 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. That means take LCM of the denominator part, you will get this step. Okay, skip. Then 1 by root 2 of the numerator as it is divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. We cannot add 2 plus 2. So we are going to solve. I will write again because I have to explain the same thing. Then we cannot add 2 and 2 here because 2 and 2 root 3 are different terms. They are unlike terms. After that, now see, the denominator of these two numbers are not same. If they are same, we can easily cancel. So should we write like this? 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. Is it or not? Yes, we can write like this. After that, multiply numerator to numerator. Now see, this particular part I have written just reciprocal after changing the sign of this division into multiplication, and then we'll write root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Multiply now numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So here the next step is root 3 ones are root 3. Okay, and then it is 2 root 2. When you multiply, you will get 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Okay, after that you have to rationalize it by changing the sign of this denominator number. So root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 multiply with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. You know कैसे रैशनलाइज करते हैं? सिर्फ इस साइन को चेंज कर देना, बाकी पूरे नंबर को साथ में लिखना, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना, बट इन दोनों को उठा के वापस कैंसिल नहीं करना. अब न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिनोमिनेटर टू डिनोमिनेटर. सो फॉर न्यूमरेटर इट इज 2 रूट 6. नाउ सी, रूट 3 और रूट 2 दोनों रूट वाले नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया, और ये जो रैशनल नंबर 2 बाहर लिखा है मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साथ, उसको एज इट इज लिखना. देन इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 रूट 18 डिवाइडेड बाय, ये a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी के फॉर्म में है, सो वी विल यूज फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. आफ्टर दैट 2 रूट 6 एज इट इज माइनस 2 इंटू रूट 18 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? 9 इंटू 2 होल डिवाइडेड बाय, ये हो जाएगा आपके पास स्क्वायर करके 8 माइनस ये हो जाएगा 24. क्लियर? देन इट इज 2 रूट 6 माइनस ये 9 का स्क्वायर रूट अब जब लेंगे तो वो 3 हो जाएगा, तो आएगा 2 इंटू 3 और सिर्फ स्क्वायर रूट 2 बचेगा, डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 16. इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं आप. देन 2 रूट 6 माइनस 3 to the 6 root 2 divided by minus 16. अब आप इसको माइनस साइन को कैंसिल करना है तो इसमें आप माइनस साइन कॉमन निकालो, साथ में 2 भी कॉमन निकल सकता है. अगर आपने लिखा -2 कॉमन निकाला तो माइनस वाला जो नंबर था वो, ये तो आपके पास माइनस कॉमन निकाला तो ये पॉजिटिव था, नेगेटिव कॉमन निकाला तो ये नेगेटिव बचेगा, मतलब माइनस रूट 6 बचेगा. यहां से आपने -2 कॉमन निकाला तो ये हो गया प्लस 3 रूट 2, बिकॉज 2 3 6 होता है, और ये होल डिवाइडेड बाय -16 है. तो ये माइनस और ये माइनस कैंसिल, साथ में ये 2 1 2 एंड 2 8 16, ये भी कैंसिल हो गया. तो फर्दर आपके पास क्या आएगा? मैं पॉजिटिव नंबर पहले लिख देती हूँ. 3 रूट 2 माइनस रूट 6, ये नंबर मैंने पहले लिखा, माइनस रूट 6 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 8. दिस इज योर आंसर. आप इसको वापस देख लीजिए. सारे वैल्यूज को पुट करने के बाद मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट आपके पास यहाँ पे देखा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में डिनोमिनेटर में जो टर्म है उसको आपको रैशनलाइज करना पड़ा, और रैशनलाइज करने के बाद जो लास्ट में सिंप्लीफाई होकर आया, दैट इज ओनली योर आंसर. क्लियर? सिमिलरली, fourth part of question number 1, sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 whole divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Now substitute all the values and simplify further. So sin 30 1 by 2, tan 45 1, cosec 60 2 by root 3 whole divided by sec 30 is 2 by root 3, cos 60 1 by 2 plus cot 45 1. Now see, numerator already you have these 3 different terms, and here also We cannot cancel 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 and 1, 2 by 3 or 2 by 3. Why? Because all these terms are having plus or minus sign between them. Similarly here also. Instead of plus or minus, agar wahan multiply hota, then you can easily cancel. Okay, so here we have to simplify. So by taking LCM of these two, when you add it, it becomes 3 by 2. Okay, here similarly these two also. So the numerator becomes, जब आपने इन दोनों को ऐड करा 1 and 1.5 को, तो आपको मिला 3 by 2 minus this 2 by root 3 as it is. ये numerator. Then whole divided by similarly 2 by root 3 as it is, and when you add it, it becomes 3 by 2. This is your denominator part. But again further you have to take LCM. So the numerator of this number is, LCM is 2 root 3. 2 root 3. जब ये 2 root 3 LCM आ रहा है न्यूमरेटर में, तो the first number is 3 root 3. Okay, so it is 3 root 3 minus, जब ये root 3 कैंसिल तो इधर आया 4. अब आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर में भी ऐसा ही आएगा. 2 root 3 LCM लिया तो न्यूमरेटर आपके पास आएगा 4 प्लस 3 root 3. आई होप कि सबको LCM लेके सॉल्व करना आता है. देन आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू कैंसिल द डिनोमिनेटर्स ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स. देन यू हैव द टर्म्स 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. ये आपके पास remaining आता है. Then again you have to rationalize it by changing this sign. So here we have to write the next step as 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 4 plus 3 root 3 multiply with 4 minus 3 root 3 whole divided by 4 minus 3 root 3. Then multiply whole the numerator and denominator. So here it is 12 root 3. We have to multiply like this, that this particular number multiply with the whole bracket. Got it? The first इस number से पहले पूरे bracket को solve करो, फिर इस number से भी पूरे bracket को solve करो. So I am multiplying first 3 root 3 with 4. So here 12 root 3. Then 3 root 3 with the 3 root 3, minus sign is there, so it is 27. Okay? This is 27. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. When you multiply these two, then it is 16. And this is plus 12 root 3 whole divided by, again 4 square is 16. I will write like this. And 3 root 3 whole square by using formula a plus b into a minus b. So here 12 plus 12, same like terms are there. So we have to add it because positive sign are there. So 24 root 3 minus here 43 when you add these two, divided by 16 minus 27. When you solve it, it is 24 root 3 minus 43 divided by minus 11. Okay. Now denominator consists with minus sign. So I am going to change it after taking negative sign from the numerator as common. So take minus sign common and nothing else as common number here. So only minus sign is common. So this minus term becomes positive and this positive terms becomes negative. So we have to write in this way, 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by minus 11. Now cancel these two signs. Minus minus positive. Okay, so the answer will be 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. So this is your answer. Similarly, you can complete question number 1, fifth part, as well as question number 2, that means choose the correct answer. You simply substitute all the values and check which particular options having the same value. So you can easily find out all these. Okay, so fifth one and second one, try to do. If you have any doubt, then I'll explain you. But I feel that question number 3 is very different. So let me simplify the question number 3. And this question is very important also. So question number 3 is, if tan of a plus b Now there are two different angles, A as well as B. So if tan of A plus B equal to root 3 and tan of A minus B is equals to 1 by root 3, that means there are two equations. And the condition is that A plus B should greater than 0 degree but less than or equal to 90 degree. And also A should greater than B. Then what will be the value of A and B? This is all these conditions that some of the angles should lie between 0 degree and 90 degree, or maybe it equal to 90 degree, and A is greater than angle B. So what are these angles? Okay, so here tan of A plus B, so it is equals to root 3. So we are going to make equation in terms of the values. So here, so according to question number 3, the question is, if tan of A plus B equal to root 3 and tan of A minus B equal to 1 by root 3, find A and B, and one important condition is also there. So first of all, think then tan of A plus B, that means some of the two angles are there. What are these angles? We don't know. But some of these two angles should be something that about the tan of this angle, these angles is equals to root 3 degree. So first of all, remember that root 3 is a value of a particular angle in trigonometrical ratios tan. Okay, so it means root 3 tan में किस डिग्री की ये वैल्यू है. So here we know that tan of A plus B is equal to root 3 की जगह पे हम लिख सकते हैं tan 60 डिग्री. रिमेंबर, अगर यहाँ पे tan ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो लिया है तो यहाँ भी tan आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे अगर आपके पास साइन दिया है तो ये वैल्यू भी आपको कुछ ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो साइन के ही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. तो ये tan ऑफ A प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू रूट 3 दिया है एंड रूट 3 को हम tan 60 लिख सकते हैं. Now in both the side trigonometrical ratios are same and this is equal. That means this is the equation, na? They are equal, so we can easily equate the angles. So हम इनके angles को equate करके एक equation बना लेते हैं छोटी सी. Let this equation be number 1. A plus B equal to 60 लिख के. Similarly हम इस side लिखेंगे tan of A minus B इक्वल टू 1 बाय रूट 3. tan में कब आएगा? ये वैल्यू होती है tan 30 डिग्री की. tan 30 डिग्री. सो A माइनस बी इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. यहां भी हम लोगों ने एंगल्स को इक्वेट किया और उसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 दे दिया. And you know very well how to solve these equation, and these are very simple equation. I hope that you already seen in my video. By any method you can simplify these two equation and get the value of A and B. So I am adding these two equations. So I will write here on adding first and second equations. We have, देखो कितने जल्दी इस equation को solve कर सकते हैं. A plus B equal to 60 it was, and the second is A minus B equal to 30. ये degrees में था, दोनों cancel हुए. So 2A. So this is 90. Hence value of 90 by 2, value of A will be 45 degree. Okay. ये कौन से मेथड से हम लोग ने सिंप्लीफाई किया? एलिमिनेशन मेथड से, बिकॉज सेम नंबर्स वेरिएबल्स थे और दोनों के कोफिशिएंट सेम थे ऑपोजिट साइन के साथ. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट पुट A इक्वल टू 45 इन इक्वेशन. किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. तो अगर आपने फर्स्ट में पुट किया, सो वी हैव 45 प्लस B इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री और B इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री minus 45 degree. So this is 15. Okay. So answer is angle A is equal to, or we simply say A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 15 degree. और जैसा उन्होंने बोला था, दोनों का जो एडिशन है वो 0 डिग्री और 90 डिग्री के बिटवीन आना चाहिए या फिर 90 के इक्वल भी आ सकता है. तो आप ये दोनों को ऐड करके देख लीजिए. 60 डिग्री आता है. 0 डिग्री से बड़ा है और 90 डिग्री से छोटा है ये। तो ये आपको कंडीशन भी चेक कर लेनी चाहिए कि अपना आंसर जो है वो करेक्ट है या नहीं। ओके, सो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू। अगर आपको ये सब अच्छा लग रहा है, पसंद आ रहा है, तो शेयर कीजिए और इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस भी कीजिए। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क मी इन योर कमेंट सेक्शन। By this, I have finished exercise 8.2. By mistake, I have written 8.3 and I think in the previous page 8.1. So all these are the solution of exercise 8.2. Thank you.